Okay, Annie. Hey, tell everybody what we're doing. Where are we going, huh? Are we getting ready to go ride the Razor, huh? Annie, tell them where we're going. Hey, everybody. We're getting ready to take off real soon. And we're going camping all weekend. I'm so excited. Let me let him in real quick. Anyway, we decided to go to Columbia, Finger Lakes, Columbia. They got a pretty nice ATV park, and so we're gonna get to go ride. The kids are so excited. Who's that?
Hey, we are ready.
All right, honestly, does anybody notice anything different about Jason today? He shaved off his mustache.
I'm naked.
He doesn't really look any different.
Butt naked.
But
for the first time since I was, oh man, 20? Yeah, so many years. We won't go into how many. Okay, here we go, guys. Chloe is hiding.
And we're ready to go.
On the road again.
Hey, we're here. Andy, we're here. What? What'd they say?
She'll be here in just a minute.
Cool.
She was just about to leave the park, she said.
We got lucky. So we got the spot we wanted.
Yeah.
Yay, there's nobody here. They just don't have any electric right now.
Nobody camping.
Oh. Somebody vandalized something, so they don't have any electric right now. I don't know, but that's okay, because we have our own. Boat launch, picnic area, motocross.
Oh yeah, we're hitting the motocross track.
No! There ain't no birds to chase into that water. That's our spot. That's it, Blackie. We are here. Guys, what's Daddy doing, huh? The ground is pretty soft out here. It might get a little bit muddy. Alright, let's see if we can back them in, guys. Well, we got all ready and set up, but we didn't get to go ride tonight, unfortunately.
It's already dark, and you can only ride until sunset here. But we got all day tomorrow, and then checkout is until 2 Sunday. I don't know if you can see the Razor. It's It's all set up. We're ready to go.
Even collected some wood.
Got some wood. We're gonna have a big fire tomorrow and have some s'mores. We have a, what do we have? A 5-pound Hershey bar.
20 pounds.
20-pound Hershey bar. And marshmallows, and we're gonna have some s'mores. Right now we're gonna watch some TV. We're gonna watch some shows at 7. What is it, Friday? Is it Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, I keep getting confused. Yeah, Shark Tank, 8 o'clock.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah, we're gonna relax a little bit.
It's beautiful out tonight.
It is beautiful. It's probably still 65 degrees, probably, at least. They're saying 72 tomorrow, partly sunny. There's like a 20% chance of rain here, but that's okay.
It'll be fun, sloppy mess tomorrow.
All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow.